Meaning of fly drive.
Fly drive.
Fly drive.
Fly drive.
Fly drive. Fly drive is a travel package that involves flights and car rentals in one convenient booking. It allows travelers to fly to their destination and then pick up a rental car at the airport, giving them the freedom to explore the area on their own schedule. This type of package is popular for those who want to take road trips or explore rural areas while still having the convenience of air travel. Overall, FlyDrive provides a combination of transportation options that allows travelers to have a more flexible and personalized travel experience.